What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and today I'm taking a look at Jelle, his VW Golf 1 with a little tune and with an engine swap. Very cool. It's from Seat Ibiza FR TDI, so it's the 1.9 turbo, but we'll talk about that later. So first thing I notice is that gorgeous brown Porsche color. Don't know the exact color name, but wow, how cool is that on a VW Golf 1? This metallic brown, just awesome. So the next thing that really pops are these Audi A8 wheels. These are from the American Audi A8, but they are beautiful, like a retro design. Very good. We do have side view mirrors, but they're not going to do us any good because at like 100 kph they just flap inside. Beautiful chrome details, little sunroof. We have some matte black spoilers, like base. They look like they're made from asbestos or something like that. What is that? Don't inhale too strongly when you're near that. It's a gorgeous car, little flared arches right there, beautiful. It's only a 16-inch wheel, but on a car this size it looks like an 18-inch. Beautiful. I like how a really old car smells and feels, and gorgeous. Even electric power windows. That's awesome. So of course the magic is underneath the bonnet, because here we have, same as with a Golf 8, we don't have a strut for the bonnet. Here we have that 1.9 TDI engine I was talking about. So it's the 1.9 TDI PD engine, and it has ARL head bolts, so because of the extra boost the head doesn't lift. It has custom intercooler hoses, very large intercooler, an aluminium GTI radiator, a 3-inch downpipe with a 2.5-inch exhaust, and it's been tuned by GeoTune. So it now does 280 horsepower. It also has custom engine mounts, a coilover kit, and G60 280mm brakes, but we cannot really see it because of the cool wheels. So on the inside, very classic car vibe, you know, the original steering wheel, which I just love. Nothing really has been done. It's actually quite spacious if you consider like exterior sizes, but that's always with older cars. They are so spacious on the inside because all the pillars are so thin and you feel like you're in a greenhouse or something like that. It's also the temperature of a greenhouse inside. Luckily we do have seat belts and a 5-speed gearbox, but the gear lever, I feel like it's near my ankles. It's like putting a Land Rover Defender into low gearing. They always have like this little gear lever. I really have to lean forward to switch gears. So yeah, we're just going to see what it's like on the Autobahn. Going to leave the windows open for a bit because it's just so hot out today. A big cloud of black smoke coming from the car once that turbo kicks in. But oh, that is nice. Big torque. Could do with a realignment. But you know, you just don't care in a car like this. Jelle, the owner, has really changed about everything. And traction starts in 3rd gear, but oh. I don't have any rev counter or anything to judge when I should shift gears. So lean forward into 2nd. classic VW buddies. So little tunnel pass right there. Let's do second. It is such a fun car. As you might know, we've also done a VW Golf 1 with a 2-liter TSI engine and even a 6-speed manual. These 1.9 TDI engines are just unbelievable at what they can take. So Jelle told me you can do up to 400 horsepower with stock internals. That's from a 130 horsepower engine. Can you believe that? That's astonishing. Sometimes the older stuff is just a bit more solid, right? That was properly engineered. Okay, we're going to close everything up for the Autobahn section. So since it's very nice weather out, we are going to go in a different direction because of a lot of tourists going to the Netherlands. So we're going to head into Germany to see if we can find a bit of space over there. So we're going to start in third gear and see how it picks up. So the car is nearly over 1,000 kilos and with 280 horsepower it should be quite quick. Jelle has done 230 GPS, which seems like a lot, but yeah, there's definitely some power there. Speedometer. Oh, I don't have any boost anymore. So I had the exact same issue like half an hour ago, so once I restarted it everything was fine. But the tune is pretty fresh, so it's only a few days old. And once I hit like the rev limiter, it sort of goes into limp mode. So that's not ideal, but you know, we'll manage. I think we'll be good once we get started up again. Yeah. I guess you guys want to see that big cloud of smoke. Right, let's see if it will work now. Need some boost. Okay, let's get a screen recording going for you guys, because I think the speedometer was like, what the hell is going on? The driving experience is sort of the same, but you know, what a fun car. I love these cars. These are so special. There's only one of these. And yes, it's not perfect, but you know, since when is perfect fun? Imperfections are what makes fun. Come on, give me some boost. Be a boosty boy. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, we have to close it up again. You know what, we're going to do some natural AC like that. Okay, screw it. Let's see if we can do a 100 to 200. I don't have any side view mirrors, but I think we can go. Boost and smoke. I'm going to shift early so I don't hit the rev limiter. Oh, that was it, yeah. So there we go again. I just came back to Jelle to return his car and to give him the bad news. And then we discovered there was an intercooler hose that came off. Rear view is on, this on, this on, This is on. This is the most chaotic review in a long time. So we should have a little more boost now. Yeah, I can already hear it. Oh yes. Let's wait for a little gap. Oh, that's a lot better. Big bag. I think it came off again. So I'll probably need this. Nice and cool spot here in the tunnel. Yeah, it came off again. There. Not sure where to put that, but it's okay. Oh yes. Pops right in there. Clamp it up. Don't you know, clamp it up. You got to clamp it up. There we go. Autobahn mechanics. Okay, have to shift earlier. It doesn't like doing the rev limiter. Third gear is strong. Again, I'm not going to do any 100 to 200 records with this car because, you know, I have to stay off that rev limiter. Oh, that's a cool sound. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Big blow, I guess. That was the intercooler hose once again. I tried, guys, I really tried. But for me, this is it. I'm sorry. We really have to get that clamp sorted out because it won't hold the turbo pressure. For now, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed trying to make it. Let's call it that. Bye guys.